Say hi. Hi. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a long time since I filmed, but I thought it would be fun to film some of my current favorite products and introduce you guys to Bear, my little baby. So if you guys would like to see, then please keep watching. All right, so first things first, this is my little guy. This is my little guy. His name's Bear. I call him Barry. I've had him for probably about, I want to say 2 or 3 weeks now. So that's something new that's been happening. His hair gets like everywhere, literally. And he's honestly on one right now. But yeah, that's my little guy. So his name's Barry. He's only like a few weeks old. I actually got him freaking, where was it? It was in front of Walmart, believe it or not. Like, I've wanted a cat for like a really long time, but I always felt like it was never the right time for me personally. I just felt like there was always like a reason, like, oh, okay, because like where I live, or there was just always something where I was like, okay, well, I can't have a cat. So I saw him, and I see a lot of cats. Like, I'm sure you guys see cats that are like always being given away and that are for sale or at like pet shops and stuff. But I don't know, there was just something about him. And he has like a little paw where he only has like 3 paws. And I'm just like, I don't know, he was special. There was just something about him. So that happened. So I kind of debated on it a little bit too. I was just like, I really want him, but I don't know. I'm actually gonna put him out really quick because he's getting into everything. Sorry, he was like super distracting. So yeah, I kind of like drove around and debated on it for a while with my friend, and I was just like, I don't know if I should get him. But then I couldn't let it go. Like I said, there was just something about him. So I went back and I got him, and I went and bought him cat food and a collar and all kinds of stuff. And I kind of debated on his name for a while, but I figured that Bear was probably like the best because he's just black and he's so cute and he's so furry. So I was like, I think I'm gonna call him Bear. So that's where I got the name. Anyways, I just wanted to introduce my new little family member. So other than that, let's jump into products. So current products that I've been loving, I'm just trying to decide if I want to start with makeup or hair care or hair stuff. He's gonna be crying at the door to get in. All right, you know what? I'll just start with face stuff. No, you can't come in here. I'm gonna go feed him real quick. All right, so I'm back. I went and fed my cat. It's literally like having a kid. He wasn't really all that hungry. He just wanted a whole bunch of attention. So I went and did that real quick. So I'm gonna jump back in, and I'll probably just start with hair stuff. So I actually just purchased this new shampoo and conditioner from Sally's, and it's called My Black is Beautiful. So originally when I seen the bottle, before purchasing it, like I thought that it was more so for like women of color, and it's actually just for like everybody, like anybody could use it, you know. But anyways, it smells so good. It smells so freaking good, and the scent lasts a long time after you wash your hair, and it's actually really good. So it's a hydrating shampoo and conditioner. This is the conditioner, this is the shampoo. So the bottle is beautiful, the name's beautiful, The smell is amazing. And I mean, it is a little pricey. It's not too bad. I think both of them are they're like $12 each, I think. But yeah, no, it's just really, really good stuff. And it has no sulfates, parabens, or silicone. So it says our lightweight cleanser is specifically designed to clean hair without stripping natural oils. The creamy formula increases moisture retention and restores hair strength to help prevent breakage. And it does all that. It actually is super lightweight. It does not leave your hair greasy. It works wonderfully. It's just, I'm in love with it. Because honestly, I kind of have like dead ends. And the shampoo and conditioner that shampoos and conditioners that I have used, because I've tried multiple, are just very, I don't know, there would always be something wrong. Like they leave my ends feeling really dry, or my hair would be like really frizzy. We'd have, I don't know, I'd have all kinds of like crazy stuff going on. But so far, yeah, that stuff's absolutely amazing. Highly, highly recommend to anyone and everyone. It works wonderfully. So that's a current favorite. Then moving on to hair dye. I wanted to talk about hair dye just because I know a lot of people ask me what I use to dye my hair, what color, and all that jazz. So I've tried multiple hair dyes, and one that I've used recently a few times that I kind of just like keep going back to, that I really, really genuinely like, that also doesn't leave my hair feeling dried, or you have like that really nasty like hair dye smell afterwards, like even when you wash your hair. Also too, that shampoo and conditioner will take care of all that stuff. It's really good stuff. So what I've been using is the Mystic Divine Luminous Shine, and it's permanent hair color. So it says up to 2 times the more shine, and honestly, I don't know if that's true, but it's still like a really, really good hair dye. And I use 4N in natural medium brown. So I know that my hair looks really dark and it looks really black, but when it's in the sunlight, it's actually more of like a brown black versus just plain black. But yeah, I use that stuff. It definitely lasts a lot longer than other hair dyes that I've used. It just works better. Also too, if you buy hair dye from Sally's, and you know how you'll get like, it'll be either like 2 or 3 ounces of hair dye, and then you have to use 2 or 3 ounces of developer. So it's like 1 part hair and then 1 part developer. This one is 3 ounces, but you actually use 2 parts developer. So it comes in a bottle. I think I threw it away. Oh no. So it'll come in a bottle like this. This is developer. I use 20 just because it's dark, and you don't want something lower, and you definitely don't need a higher developer. And it's 6 ounces. So it's actually this whole bottle and then this together. And it gives you so much. So if you have really long hair, 1 bottle of that will cover what you need. So that's a favorite. I'm trying to think. I feel like I'm missing one more like hair thing, but I don't have it on hand, so it must not be that important. All right, moving on to body. So I'm sure, well, if you watch my videos, you guys probably know, but Bondi Sands is one of my absolute favorite things. Their self tanner is absolutely amazing. I'm actually wearing their self tanner right now, and I'm using dark, but I can't find the bottle, or else I'd show it. But I'll put everything down below, so if you guys are curious, you can, check it out. So the other thing that I've really been enjoying, obviously you can tell it's really loved, is the Bondi Sands Everyday Gradual Milk. This is just overall really great, even just as a lotion itself. It's a gradual tanner, but I tend to use it pretty much every single day. For me, I feel like it helps maintain the tan, lets it wear off a little bit more even, so you're not all like patchy, And it smells so good. Like, I'm not a huge fan of coconut or like cocoa butter, but it's so, I don't know, like, it's so lightly scented. Like, it's refreshing. It smells really nice. So those are two favorites, current favorites, body wise. Okay, let's see. Then I'm gonna be moving on, I guess, to the last thing, makeup. Okay, let me tell you. So this foundation I've been currently using every single day since I bought it. It is the it's the L'Oreal Infallible Up to 24-Hour Fresh Wear. I get the color 470. I forgot which shade it was in, but yeah, it's 470. So it looks like this. I have it on right now. This is super affordable, super full coverage, and a little bit goes a really long way. This is a really, really good foundation. It lasts all day long, and it's affordable. Like, how can you can't beat that. This is where it's at. This is where it's at. Even when I sweat, and I live in Arizona, so it's very hot, I get sweaty. It happens, but like, this stuff is amazing. It'll stay on all day long. Now moving on. Okay. I want to talk about this bronzer real quick. I think I've mentioned it before as well, but this is one of my other favorites. It's a little messy right now. I actually dropped it and broke it, so it's all falling apart. There's like nothing left of it. That's how much I love it. So it's the Ardell Vacay Mode bronzer and Bronze Crazy. It's a really, really nice bronzer. So like I said, it's what I have on now, and I know I kind of look a little bit shiny. I feel like in the freaking contoured areas, that's because I actually went and used the freaking Global Glow by MAC. Does anybody remember that? Because I've had this thing for like ever. Anyway, it's kind of more of like a bronzer slash highlighter, so you really shouldn't use it anywhere besides like your cheeks, preference. But I used it all over because I couldn't find that bronzer this morning. I always end up losing that thing. Then I ended up finding it, and then I just applied it on top so that it wouldn't be as shiny. But I don't know if the camera's picking it up because I'm still kind of shiny. But yeah, that stuff is absolutely amazing. You can actually purchase it at Sally's. It's super affordable, and it's like, for me, the perfect bronze, because I know usually when I use bronzers, they can either be too cool or too warm. This is just the perfect shade for me. Then, okay, ooh, eyeliner, and this is drugstore eyeliner. So I'm a huge fan of the Bondi tattoo liner. It's really, really good stuff, but it is really pricey. So I've been using the Neutrogena Precision Liquid Eyeliner, and this is what it looks like, this little guy. It's just a black, it's literally a black felt tip. I messed it up right here. I don't know if the camera picks that up either, but look at that. Yeah, that sucks. I don't know how that happened. It must have been like I pushed it in, it probably just like pulled it back. But so yeah, that's a favorite. It is super, super black. It stays on all day, does not budge, and I actually believe it is waterproof. But let me tell you, this stuff stays on. So yeah, that's a really good, I want to say actually kind of like a dupe for the Kat Von D. If you don't want to spend that much money or you don't have it, it happens. So that's my favorite current eyeliner. Ooh, you know what? This is like a huge favorite right now. And I actually got it in like a makeup box. It's the Ritzy Cosmetics. It's a lip gloss in Vibe. This stuff is so amazing. I use it almost every single day. I like matte lips, but I've been into glossy lips a lot more lately than normal, obviously. I don't have it on right now, but this is like the perfect nude gloss. Like it goes beautifully on top of like any lip color, I swear. And then, oh yeah, so another gloss that I've been really liking, which I also got in a makeup box, is this gloss. It's called Gloss. It's by Yule, my new favorite lip gloss. So it looks like this. The packaging is really, really pretty. It's like a transparent and the lip gloss is like a really, really sheer pink. So it's not super duper glossy, which I really like. So if you want to just like add a little bit of shine and like moisture to your lips, this right here will do it. Like, it's not too much, and it's just perfect. This lip gloss is also a favorite if I don't want to go super duper glossy. And I'm sure you guys all know it's, you know what, I'm not going to show it because it's falling apart. But my all-time favorite lip liner, and not just like a current favorite, is the Colourpop lip liners. In BFF and BFF2, those are my absolute go-to favorite lip liners ever. I need to branch out and try more, but they just don't let me down, so I kind of just stick with it, you know. So that's one of my favorites. And another current favorite is, and probably honestly always will be, is the Anastasia liquid lipstick in Pure Hollywood. It is such a beautiful shade. It is perfect nude for me, for my skin color. It's like not too pink. It has a little bit of brown. I think it's just absolutely gorgeous. I wear it all the time. If you don't know what lip color you want to wear, for me, it's that one. I'm trying to think what else. I feel like I'm missing something. What is? So the last thing that I'm going to talk about out of my current favorites right now is the Salon Perfect lashes. I get a lot of questions besides what I use to tan and what I dye my hair with. So it's my lashes. I get this all the time. So yeah, it's the Salon Perfect, and the style is in 614. I only have like one pair left. So it's like $8 roughly, maybe $9 for a pack of 5, and they last you forever. Like one pair, if you really take care of them, can last you 2 weeks, maybe longer if you really take care of them. But yeah, those are my favorite. They're long and dramatic, but yet they're wispy, so you can wear them every day when you go out, whatever the occasion may be. You can even wear them without any makeup at all and just slap some lashes on. They're very wispy and very beautiful. But yeah, I think that is all for my favorites. So yeah, I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. And if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.